Welcome on this stage, Tyla Marilyn. Ваші оплески, Tyla Marilyn.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for having me tonight, and I just wanted to say well done, Nicole. You've made this evening so special, and thank you so much for having me. I'm going to play a couple of songs for you tonight, and this first one is called Coffee, and it's about the small moments in life and what we enjoy and what we love. I hope you enjoy. A heartache that's warm enough to stick inside your mind. A plot that turns on the Christmas tree lights. You know that feeling strokes you softly. A mug, a safe home for your coffee. Laying next to a fireplace when it's snowing. Curiosity killed the cat, but it's the fun in not knowing. We'll walk along the shore, soaked in the sunrise, having a hot bath of candles to unwind. And you're sitting in your living room, sipping coffee, chatting with your friends, saying love somebody, oh, and they ask who, and you say you, oh, hey, the lovely coffee, coffee, flicking through a childhood photo album. Alongside the lake, staying up way past beds on the warmth of the sun, stroking my face, driving carelessly through red light, saying to herself in the morning in a mantra, today is a good day. Snug as a bug in a rocking mug of coffee. Coffee. Just had a vibe, you say you love somebody, oh, and they ask who, and you say you, oh, hey, the lovely coffee. Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. And